Coronavirus updates. Model starkly says 300,000 U.S. deaths by December without masking up. anothersti. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below. A new forecast warns that COVID-10 deaths could reach 300,000 by December without widespread use of masks. The University of Washington's Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation says consistent use of a face covering would lower the figure by 70,000. Meanwhile, negotiations over another coronavirus stimulus tumbled into a state of uncertainty Thursday night. After a 3-hour meeting, Treasury Secretary Mnuchinsaid said the White House is still willing to do a short-term measure on unemployment if a broader deal cannot be reached. Ohio Governor DeWine, who had been set to meet with President Trump on Thursday, ultimately tested negative for COVID-19. Earlier in the day, a rapid test gave him a positive reading. Here are some significant developments. Today's numbers: the U.S. has recorded more than 160,000 deaths and 4.8 million cases of COVID-19, according to Johns Hopkins University. Worldwide, there have been more than 715,000 deaths and 19.1 million cases. What we're reading: sanitizing booths to prevent the spread of COVID-19, do they work? The Denver Broncos posted a video that showed its players, masked up and in jerseys on their way to practice, filing through a walk-through sanitizing booth that misted them. But medical experts cast significant doubts whether the booths are an effective tool to prevent the transmission of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. Read about it here. Our live blog is being updated throughout the day. Refresh for the latest news, and get updates in your inbox with a daily briefing. Hong Kong to offer free testing for all 7.5 residents. Hong Kong leader Carrie Lam says the semi-autonomous Chinese city will offer free coronavirus testing for all its 7.5 million residents beginning in 2 weeks. Lam says such universal testing will help gauge the level of transmission in the community, find those who may be carrying the virus but not showing symptoms, and reassure. A new forecast warns that COVID-10 deaths could reach 300,000 by December without widespread use of masks. The University of Washington's Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation says consistent use of a face covering would lower the figure by 70,000. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below.